Welcome to my channel. TP-Link RE220 AC750 Factory Reset Guide. 1. Power on your TP-Link RE220. Plug the extender into a working wall socket and wait until the LED indicators stabilize. 2. Find the reset button. Locate the small reset pinhole on the side or bottom of the RE220 extender. 3. Use a pin or paperclip. Take a paperclip or SIM ejector tool to reach inside the reset hole. 4. Press and hold for 8 to 10 seconds. Gently press and hold the reset button until the LEDs start blinking. 5. Observe the LED lights. Blinking LEDs confirm that the factory reset process has started. 6. Release the button. Let go of the reset button once the lights flash or turn off briefly. 7. Wait for reboot. Give the extender 1 to 2 minutes to restore factory settings and reboot automatically. 8. Check for stable LED. A stable LED light means the reset is completed successfully. 9. Start fresh setup. Reconnect using WPS or configure manually with the TP-Link Tether App. 10. Connect and test Wi-Fi. Finally, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network and confirm everything works smoothly. Thank you for watching.